Hillingdon Railway Modeller's superb O-gauge layout Grindley Brook features in the October 2019 issue of Hornby magazine. This 34-foot by 20-foot continuous run circuit was built as a means for members to simply watch the trains roll by in the club room. The layout was developed by utilising the storage yard from what was the club's test track, with brand new scenic boards added to the front, growing into the stunning display we see today. Our visit coincides with IVOT 4MT 43036 exiting the tunnel, hauling a train of empties towards the station. Meanwhile, Stanya Black 5 44778 approaches with a parcels train as it heads through the station. The coal empties continue their journey through Grindley Brook Station as we take a footplate ride on 7813 Freshford Manor, heading a short passenger service. A Fowler Patriot emerges from the tunnel on an express working, while a WD 280 passes in the opposite direction, heading a loaded coal train. In the yard, Fowler Ginty 47481 departs with the pickup goods. The level of detail is outstanding, from the various shades of static grass to the kit-built rolling stock, meticulous point rodding and signal wires, buildings and much more. (7813) Freshford Manor slows to a halt to collect its passengers at Grindley Brook Station. Query WD 280 90434 rumbles past with its loaded coal train. Get the full story on Grindley Brook in the October 2019 issue of Hornby magazine.